So next I'm going to talk about the 5 different video styles that work extremely well. So these are the different styles of videos that you can make, and I'll show you examples of each one. So the first popular one is the problem and solution video. They do extremely well on TikTok. And then we have product demonstration, comparison videos, text on screen, and also comment replies. So first let's talk about the problem and solution video. And we actually saw a couple of these already, but to break it down further, this is the 4-step framework. First, you want to use the hook to describe the problem, and then you want to offer the product as a solution. You want to talk about the best features about the product, and then lastly, you want to give a strong call to action. So let's take a look at an example. So this is a product and solution video.
You sweat at night, but you still want a blanket. This is so cold. Come feel this. You don't have to get on camera. You can do it. Feel how cold this is.
Wow. It's soft too.
That is so cold.
Yeah.
Holy moly. Like, let it lay on you for a second. Hang on. Oh, and it's so soft. Look, feel this. Like, it's so cold. I'm so excited.
Oh.
This thing is awesome.
So here in the beginning, she presented the problem. If you sweat at night, but you still want a blanket. And then she proceeded to present the product as the solution to the problem. So this video did really well. 5.9 million views, over $163,000 sold. So this framework is extremely effective. So next we're going to talk about the product demonstration video. So this style of video is super straightforward. You simply demonstrate how the product works and show how effective it is. So here is an example of the product demonstration.
Okay, so apparently I don't clean my pool enough, and I just got this new Iper cordless robotic pool cleaner, and I'm going to put it to the test. So here we go. Just press and hold the button. It beeps. Set her down in the water just like so. Oh shit. Works good though. Look at her go. Dang, that thing's hauling ass. The battery lasts for up to 90 minutes and it'll clean up to 850 square feet. Alright, so after it's been running for about 45 minutes, this is what the pool looks like now. But all in all, this thing works great. So if you guys want one, grab you one right there in the link below.
So that was a super simple video. Just show how effective the product is, show the process, talked about a couple of good features about the product, and then show the results. So that's pretty convincing for someone that's watching and want to do the same thing. And then he gave a call to action at the end using the hand gesture to pointing to the product link. So overall, great video. And it got 8.93 million views and sold more than $107,000 of product. So the next style of video that you could create is the comparison video. So this is when you compare side to side to show the more superior product. And when you do this, it is best not to show any trademarked logos, because when you show any trademarked logo, you risk getting a violation. So you definitely don't want to do that. Let me show you an example.
Test them out. This is the new Viral Wise vacuum, and this is the more well-known brand that I normally use. Here we go. Oh, this one stopped. This one stopped.
So this is the comparison video. So basically just to compare the product side by side to show that the product that he's promoting is a better product. Makes it seem like it's a no-brainer for someone that wants to purchase. And in the beginning, notice how he didn't mention any specific brand name. He only puts like high-end. So that is a smart thing to do because you don't want to mention any name that is trademarked, or you don't want to show any logos that are trademarked. And when you want to compare to like a well-known brand, this is what you can do. And then the next style of video that you can make is text on screen. So these are typically very short, typically less than 10 seconds or so, and they are the easiest to make. So to make it effective, you want to make sure that the video evokes some type of emotion. You want to make it relatable, and then you just want to showcase the product. So let's see an example. Let's take a look. And that was it. That was a 7 seconds video in total. Just her working out, about 4 to 5 different shots, and then just added the text on screen. Point of view, you stop wondering if it works and start doing the work to make it work. So this video did really well, 1.35 million views and more than $108,000 in sales. So that's not bad for a 7-second video. And the last type of video that you could make that works really well is comment replies. So you basically just make the video based on people's comments. And when you look at many successful TikTok shop videos, these are some of the most viral type of content for many creators. So here is an example of a comment reply video.
I'm not gonna lie, the first 20 minutes of this, it's slippery, it slides off. I was just in the kitchen for a second and this slipped off my face. You need to like stay still for about 45 minutes, and after that it becomes one with your skin, and then wait till you see what happens after 2 hours when I'm gonna go to sleep.
So as you can see, this is a video just based on someone commented on her video. Someone said, "No way this stays well enough to sleep, LOL." And then she literally just responded to it, and obviously, gave a really good reply. And this video has gotten over 6.43 million views, over $265,000 sold just by replying to a comment. So this is definitely really effective. And when you look at other successful TikTok shop videos, many of them are actually comment replies, just replying to people. And somehow TikTok seems to push those videos really hard most of the time. So you definitely want to take advantage of those opportunities when you could make comment replies videos.